Get acquainted with the 2021 Toyota Corolla. With less than 15,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. This stylish Corolla sedan has earned its place among automotive industry icons. With a well-deserved reputation for value and reliability under its belt, this compact also delivers multimedia infotainment tech, a spacious and sporty interior, smart safety features, and a spirited driving experience. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, lane keeping assist, heated mirrors, satellite radio, backup camera, electronic stability control, Bluetooth connection, aluminum wheels, alarm. Feel relaxed and comfortable when you're behind the wheel of this stylish Corolla. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.